then a really good way of reintroducing load is through isometric contractions. And so isometric basically means that the muscle's contracting, but the joint is not moving. For example, it might be holding my kombucha, holding it, in front of me like this. My bicep is working here to hold my elbow at parallel so I don't spill my kombucha. And so that way I'm loading that bicep, but it's not moving anywhere. Whereas if I wanted to bring that kombucha to my mouth, I'd be having to use an concentric contraction. So that means that the muscle is shortening and moving the joint so I can take a sip. And then as I'm lowering it down, that's going to be an eccentric contraction of my bicep to resist gravity and lower that bottle of kombucha down. So that's just a basic sort of introduction to the different types of contractions, and those contractions have a big impact on how your muscle is working and how your muscle is going to feel.